there, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we have two topics for you. First up, we asked the contractor, are there any tax credits for windows and doors in 2024? We also defined the term cantilever. Stay tuned. It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is cantilever. John, can you tell us what that is?
A cantilever is when you have a horizontal surface that's supported only on one side. So for example, if you take a look at my arm, it extends out. It's cantilevering out from my shoulder. My shoulder is the support. Cantilevers are used typically on balconies that don't have posts on the outside. You can take a look at your deck. Many times the deck is cantilevered so that there's a beam that sits all the way out on your deck, and then the floor actually extends further than the beam, and that distance is a cantilever distance. The other simple example would be if you have a countertop in your kitchen and the countertop extends out so you can have some stools underneath it. That's a cantilevered surface.
Today on Ask the Contractor, we want to know, is there a tax credit in 2024 for windows and doors? John, can you tell us about it?
Yeah, sure, Rose. The good news is there is a tax credit. The tax credit for doors is up to $250 per door with a total tax credit of $500. For windows, there's a tax credit, and this credit is $600. That's the total you can get for all of your windows, is a credit up to $600. But just make sure when you buy your door and when you buy your windows that they actually qualify for the tax credit.
That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our page. We'll see you next week.